Sun in third house is one of the best houses for Sun in a horoscope of a native. Here it gives success in every single pursuit which you start from your own wish and wisdom. This placement says that you are not like one who sits quietly in one place or corner. You are always doing something. You enjoy going around and thus probably you travel a lot. Your mind needs new information always, like your body needs air. Otherwise, you get bored very quickly. The person, male or female, have their sun in the third house. It signifies that you give a lot of importance to wisdom and knowledge and you believe in sharing it with others in an ideal way and in an ideal environment or situation. However, you strongly crave the desire to learn different things from different people. Thus, travel becomes a crucial part of your life. Hi, I'm astrologer Shankar Bhattacharjee. Today I will talk in detail the effect of Sun in third house. I will cover the influence of this placement on love life, marriage, career and much more in this video. So do not skip any part of this video if you do not want to miss any important information. Sun in third house always likes to take action. They are the first to walk up to someone and strike up a conversation. People with this placement adapt very quickly with any new situation or any new environment. The third house is the house of learning and communication. It shows how you perceive the world around you. This house also deals with your thinking process and logical reasoning. People who have this position of Sun in the chart were very smart as kids. They often excel in school. They are the kids who are scribbling and doodling maximum of the time they are in their study room or in school. As soon as they learn to talk, they enjoy participating in conversations with their cheerful and high-spirited personality. This position of Sun makes a person very social and will have many acquaintances and have the capability to make new friends in no time. Whether the native is active in politics or not, it doesn't matter. Sun always gives political clout and love for study in political science, and these individuals make good contacts, connections with politicians or politically motivated powerful people who have a political solid background. Afflicted Sun in this house may give siblings who are weak either physically or financially or both and will not have good relationship with them. But apart from all this, the individual try to grant help and supports his or her siblings and cousins but does not normally get any love or support or even respect from their end. Instead of all this, the individual foolishly gets exploited and made a scapegoat of their siblings or cousins' wrongdoing and sometimes also blamed by his or her own mother for nothing. Sun in third house of the horoscope implies to boost one's inclination to chatter and makes individual talkative a lot. Due to that, sometimes cause discomfort in gatherings or in an official meeting. These people are fond of traveling, especially short travels for the purpose of their work and even for pleasure. Their educational priority and endeavors or interest are more communicative, goal-oriented, artistic, dramatic rather than intellectual, which means they have more inclination towards drama and performing arts than being skilled in intellectual subjects like mathematics and science or history, geography, etc. These people have a very sharp and upright mind, combined with high pride and sense of ambition to rule over others. They are very active, charged, hardworking, and goal-oriented people. Sun in third house also signifies the tendency to be solid, self-reliant, self-dependent and very daring and confident person despite the odds, delays and obstacles. Moreover, it gives a voracious hunger and desperation with eagerness to succeed in life at a quick pace at a very young age. Sun in third house generally is highly productive and auspicious. The person will be healthy, wealthy, naive and will possess wiseness and wisdom. The person will also be very sober, natural, truthful, famous, and sometimes a bit harsh but have kind heart. The person who has Sun in his or her third house is faithful, devoted, and sacrificing to their love partner as long as their name and prestige are not negatively impacted or another person adversely involved in illicit affairs and infidelity. Otherwise, they will have no issue or problem dumping and ditching the person instantly. They might get cheated in a relationship or sometimes can cheat their love partner depending upon the overall planetary placement in the horoscope. Their love life remains exciting and voracious attraction towards their partner with spicy romance and help their partner to uplift and rise in life. When it comes to marriage, person having Sun in third house will become brave and charitable after marriage. He will possess vehicles, amenities of luxuries because of rise in luck after marriage. This position is also considered good for progeny and children. In a female chart, Sun in third house causes high sexual drive, and this placement sometimes blesses natives with twin babies or two marriages without divorce or separation from the first partner. Overall, whatever the sign is which sign occupies, it certainly gives very favorable and positive results in third house, particularly to male natives. These individuals are helpful and obeying to members of the family as long as their name and prestige are not adversely affected. Now let's talk about the influence on career and finance of this placement of Sun in horoscope. Person with Sun in the third house gives a lot of prestigious honor in and around society and favors from government and authorities. Sun also helps them to get a job and be employed in government or administrative services and enjoy a lot of privileges by serving public and government ruler or authority. They will become glorious and popular once in their lifetime, and they possess guts and much courage to deal with the issues and obstacles arise in their life. Some of these people may join defense lines or army services, and they turn out to be very efficient and disciplined in their duty and in their mode of work. Third house is the house of communication, news and writing. So, if the 10th house is also connected with the third house in the chart, then there is a good chance of working and earning fortune through media entertainment, journalism or news reporting, author or any field where writing and communication skills are highly required. In case of career of journalism, if Sun somehow gets the influence of Rahu here, the society gets a journalist who spread fake news to get popularity and money within a short span of time. Having benefic Sun here may make the person a brilliant and efficient communicator. Most people with this placement of Sun are bookworms and can earn money through making audiobooks too. However, success often comes later in life, usually after the age of 30. They are smart and skillful and possess the ability of plotting and plan. They prove to be good commanders and very clever in implementation of plans. Thus, they can work as a spy also and turn out to be very responsible and successful in handling administrative endeavors and matters. This position of Sun also makes them a skillful negotiator in committee, conference discussions and dealings. Due to this placement of Sun in third house, they do not trust anyone and sometimes reject any new idea. These people need to work on their intellectual pride and impatience. They very often becomes overconfident, rigid and likes to believe that they are always right. They can remain confused at times and creates misunderstanding in office or in the official work with other people. They also tend to have an inimical relationship with their close blood relatives, employees, staff, and sometimes even with their servants. It gives success in the political field or political contacts, aspirations, and ambitions. This placement of Sun helps them, those who aspire to enter into the public service sector at high authoritative management and administrative level, or simply as an employee at a medium and low level. The results of Sun in second house may vary from person to person because of different signs, nakshatra, and many other factors of the chart. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and select the notification bell for next videos on really some interesting topics in this series, where you will learn astrology and other occult subjects in more logical and easier way. If you have any question on today's topic, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below.